Hello, everyone. Today we are going to start a very exciting new unit in our science book. Can anyone guess what it might be about just by looking at these pictures? That's right, it's all about electricity. We are going to learn all about where we find it, how to be safe around it, and even how to make it work ourselves. Are you ready to be scientists? Before we learn anything new, I want you to think about your own life. Let's do a think, pair, share. First, think to yourself. Do you use electricity at school? What about at home? Now, pair up with the person next to you and tell them your ideas. Finally, let's share with the whole class. Think about this. What does electricity actually do? Does it make things hot? Does it make things move? Does it make noise or light? Let's find out. Let's think about all the places we see electricity. We can see it at home, at school, and even outside. Look at this list. We have computers and interactive whiteboards at school. We have TVs and fridges at home. And outside, we see street lights and traffic lights. Electricity is everywhere. It helps us learn, cook our food, and keep us safe. So, what exactly is electricity? Let's find out. Electricity is a special kind of energy. It's like a secret power that flows through special paths called wires. This energy is what makes our toys, lights, and computers work. But where does this power come from? It comes from two main places. 1. The mains. This is the big power that comes into our house through the walls. We plug things into the wall to get this power. 2. Batteries. This is smaller, portable power. We can carry it around in our toys and remote controls. Now, let's play a sorting game. Look at the words and I want you to tell me if they are powered by a battery or from the mains. Torch, battery, TV, mains. It needs to be plugged into the wall. Remote control, battery. Fridge, mains. Toy car, battery. Washing machine, mains. Phone, when not plugged in, battery. Computer, this one can be both. It has a battery inside, but we usually plug it into the mains to charge it. Look at all these different kinds of switches. We use switches to turn things on and off. An important part of an electrical circuit is the cell. You might call it a battery. A cell is like a tiny power factory that makes electricity. It's used to power things like watches and flashlights. Every electrical appliance has a switch so we can control when we want to use the electricity. Electricity is so powerful that it can even make robots move. This robot uses electricity to walk, take pictures, and explore new places. And did you know that a very smart scientist named Michael Faraday discovered how to make electricity really useful for us? That was over 200 years ago. Just imagine what life was like without it. Now we know electricity is super useful, but we also have to be very careful with it. Electricity travels through the metal part of a wire. You see the colorful plastic coating? That is there to protect you. It stops you from touching the dangerous electricity inside. Never pull on a wire to unplug something, and always tell an adult if a wire looks broken. Electricity is a powerful friend, but it can be very dangerous if we don't respect it. It's safe as long as we follow the safety rules. We must always be careful and never play with wires or plugs. Here are our top safety rules to remember. Rule 1. Children should not touch plugs, wires, or appliances. Always ask a grown-up for help. Rule 2. If you see a damaged wire or a broken appliance, keep away. It could give you a shock. Rule 3. Never open or burn batteries. They can be dangerous. Okay, scientists, this is the best part. We are going to learn how to make electricity work for us. To make a simple circuit, we need 3 things. 1. A cell, or battery, to provide the power. 2. Wires to carry the electricity around. 3. A lamp, or bulb, to light up. Here's how it works. You connect the wires from the battery to the bulb, and then back to the battery again. It makes a big loop. If there are no gaps, the bulb will light up. This is a picture of a complete circuit. It's like a path for the electricity to run around. Remember, the circuit must be a complete loop with no breaks or gaps. Think of it like a racetrack. If there is a gap in the track, the race car has to stop. It's the same for electricity. If there's a gap, the electricity stops and the bulb won't light up. Let's review our safety rules one more time. This is the most important part of our lesson. Never put anything into electrical sockets. Never use electrical things near water. Never touch broken plugs or wires. Always ask a grown-up to help with electrical devices. Electricity is a fantastic tool, but we must always treat it with respect. Now for the fun part. This is your unit project. I want you to become an inventor. Your mission is to invent a new electrical appliance that could help people. 1. First, think of a cool new device. Maybe a robot that cleans your room. Or a pencil that writes by itself. 2. Next, draw a big, colorful picture of it. 3. Then, label all the parts, like the wires, the battery, and the switch. 4. Finally, explain to the class what it does and why it's so useful. I can't wait to see all your amazing inventions. You can send pictures in the comments box. Don't forget to like and to subscribe.